Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel send follow request on Instagram in one click. So first step you need to do is to open Instagram application, and once you open, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. And from here you simply need to click on your activity, and once you are here you simply need to scroll down and click on download your information. And once you are here, you simply need to select your Instagram account. Click on download or transfer information. Click on clear all. So I want to download information for this Instagram account only. So click on that. Click on next. And here you need to click on some of your information. Wait for a few seconds here. And now you need to scroll down. And in the bottom you can see followers and following. Select that option. Click on next again. And here you can see the option download to device, transfer to destination. So I want to download to this device. So click on next. And here you can see that data range, you can select the date range. So I want for last 3 years. Click on save. You can add your email, your format, your media quality. So I want it in high quality, so it take longer time to download, so that's okay. Then you need to click on create file, and you need to wait for a few seconds here, and after that a file is ready. Okay, here you can see that it is now in progress. Once it is completed, you simply need to click on that and download that zip file, and in that file you can see all your follow request, and then you simply need to select that and you can cancel those follow requests. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.